Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to show you how to clear all cache in Windows 11 to speed up your PC. If you have a Windows.old folder on your local disk C, navigate to the Software Distribun folder, then open the download directory and delete all files in it. In my case, this folder doesn't exist on my computer, so I'm unable to show it to you directly. As a second method, we can remove temporary files that Windows creates automatically. Press the Windows key +R to open the Run dialog box. Then type %temp% and press Enter. Delete all files in this directory. Some files may not be deleted if they are currently in use. Select the checkbox and choose to skip those files. Next one is Clear Prefetch Files. This is similar to temporary files. The Windows Prefetch folder stores cache data to speed up application launches. Press the Windows key +R to open the Run dialog box again, then type Prefetch and press Enter. Click on Continue to give permission. Now select all files and delete them. This time also some files may not be deleted if they are currently in use. We can skip them and continue. We can also reset Microsoft Store cache. To do this, open Run dialog box and type was reset. A command prompt window may appear for a few seconds depending on your PC's performance. Once the cleanup is complete, the Microsoft Store will open automatically. Next one is Clear Microsoft Edge browser data. Click the three-dot icon in the top right corner, then select Delete Browsing Data. Next, select the time range and the types of data you want to delete, then click the Clear Now button. And also click this Clear button, and select what you want to delete and click on Delete button. Next one is Flush DNS Cache. Open command prompt and type up config/flush DNS. A success message will appear once the cache has been cleared. Next one is Disk Cleanup. Here, select the files you want to clean up. I've selected all the large files, and you can do the same if you wish. Then click on Clean Up System Files. Select the large files again, then click OK. Now click Delete Files. Now let's do a final cleanup using the built-in restore point. Select the partition drive, then click Configure. On my PC, it shows more than 7 GB as the current usage. Click the Delete button to remove all restore points. Now, select the drive again and click Create. Enter a name for the restore point, then Create. And that's it. By following these methods, you've cleared almost every major cache in Windows 11. Your PC should feel faster and cleaner. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you want more Windows tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.